And you're like, you're rolling, good to go? Cool. Hello, everybody. Welcome to this month's team lunch. Not only is this a time for us to sit down, get together, and chat and eat as a team, but it's also a time to give out the highly coveted High Award. This month's recipient is a very valuable member of the team. They've shown to be they've shown to exemplify many of the Hiilite core values. This person has shown to be very caring, and when they reach out, in my personal experience, fuck this. Video people always, they don't clean up in here, like what the hell? Yeah, this person is very caring. They've reached out to me multiple occasions. They always start their messages with a, how are you? Let's touch base. What was I saying? This person is, they're caring. They reach out to me, ask me how I've been doing. I always appreciate that before, asking for help with something. Even sometimes just reaching out just to say hi and like see what's up in life. Always good. They're also very, I've seen very eager to learn. This door doesn't, okay. Very eager to learn in the work environment. They're always picking up new things and kind of like just learning things that are outside of their, what they do and their role at work. And finally, they've been very collaborative. Always reaching out for help when there's something they're unsure about, and that's great. We like collaboration here at Hiilite. So this person this month who is receiving the award is actually Bejoy. We have him right here. Hi, Bejoy. He's not much of a talker. Yeah, I don't know what else. Should I have the award? Should I give it to him? Wow, that's so awkward. I'm so bad at this.
It takes practice.
I just fumble around so much.
Doesn't matter.
Because it feels like it. I feel hot. All right, bam, High Award. Let's go give it to Bejoy. Here, one sec. No, it's not tall enough. You think that works? All right, here you go, Bejoy. Congratulations. Oh, it's backwards. All right, congratulations, Bejoy, on the High Award.